There's nothing like having your adventure halted by an accident. Luckily, you brought a first aid kit, but sadly not all kits make the cut. During an emergency, you need a companion that guides you. Introducing the Surviveware Small First Aid Kit. 600D polyester ripstop material. Heavy-duty zippers designed to protect your supplies. With premium quality internal supplies. A durable and compact first aid kit, perfect for hiking, backpacking, and outdoor adventures. Its many features make it the perfect companion on your outdoor adventure. Great for travel. Straps to almost anything. Great for at home or the workshop. Water resistant to prevent damage. Because this kit is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. So invest in an organized system for you and your loved one's safety. Surviveware. Our kits do the thinking for you.